Hi there, it's Lisa Logan here, your independent Scentsy director. Welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, we're gonna be catching some Zzzz, right? Everybody's favorite pastime, or maybe it's just me. I like napping. I don't know if anybody else likes napping, but this is a really cool wax collection that Scentsy just released. Now I will say by the time I recorded this video, the actual wax collection that came as a big sort of group of the wax bars plus a little gift has sold out, but you still can get these bars individually added to an order. So make sure you contact your Scentsy consultant if you already have one. If you don't have one, I'd be happy to help you out. My contact information is all below. Feel free to reach out to me. Okay, you guys ready for this? So here is the cute little bundle when it looks like this. It is called the Catching Zzzz collection. It is all about sleep and relaxation, my friends. I love this. I think the design of it is super, super cute. Now, when you did get this as an entire bundle, it actually even came with a cute little sleep mask, which I probably won't wear because they make me feel a little bit claustrophobic. Am I the only one? Let me know in the comments if you can't wear a sleep mask either. I think they're super cute and I love the idea of it. I just can't wear them personally for whatever reason. Anyway, all right, so let's talk about the 5 bars that come in this collection. So I'm just gonna kind of randomly pick one. This is the first one. It is called Lights Out. I'll give you a quick little rundown of the description and I'll let you know what I think. So Lights Out says, night falls gently over relaxing sandalwood, sweet vanilla, and warm amber. Okay, so I hear the amber in there and that makes me slightly nervous right from the get-go because amber is a scent that I typically am very sensitive to, just my own personal nose. And yep, I pick up that amber in that. I really want to love this one. It's probably not going to be my favorite of the collection. I can tell that already. So we've got sandalwood, sweet vanilla, and warm amber. I definitely get that sandalwood. It's sort of that nice earthy sandalwood, a little bit on the masculine side maybe. But then it cuts in with that sweetness of the vanilla, which is a really nice balance. And then I pick up that amber. And friends, it's something about that amber. I don't know what it is. Childhood memory? I don't know. Something, a bad experience of amber in my past. I don't know what it was. But something just turns me off of amber, and I definitely get that little amber in there. So if amber is something that you love, and we had a scent called Amber Road that was incredibly popular for me. I had a lot of customers that really loved it. So if amber is something that's not a turnoff for you, you probably will like that scent because it's a really nice blend of sort of earthy, a little bit masculine, a little bit clean, but sort of calming at the same time. I don't know. It's a very nice blend with a tiny touch of sweetness in there. So if that sounds something that you kind of like, that sort of blend, you might love that one. For me, it's a no just because of that amber. I'm always honest with you guys. I can't help myself. All right, so the next one is Pillow Time. I really love the design on this one too. I like the colors of this. I like how they all go together. I think it's clever, it's fun, it's new, it's fresh. I like the design of these. So this one is called Pillow Time. This one description says, blue tansy. Is tansy a flower? I'm thinking that's a flower. I'm gonna have to Google that one. Blue tansy is tucked in with silk blossom and calming passion flower. So immediately my mind goes to florals, right? This is the first time I've been smelling these, by the way. So you're getting the first impression of these. Ooh, this is not what I expected on this one. Definitely a little floral notes. It's really sweet to me. Almost like, so it doesn't, blue tansy. Is blue tansy, could it be a fruit? Because to me, this almost has a fruity scent to it. Oh, I really like this one, friends. It's a little bit on the fresh side, a little sweeter. Maybe that's the passion flower. It doesn't say passion fruit, it says passion flower. So I definitely pick up floral notes, but it's very calming floral notes. It almost smells like a hint of lavender in there, even though that's not in the description of this one. Oh, I really like this one. This is like just kind of relaxing me sitting here smelling it. It is really nice. Little sweet, little fruity, tiny touch of floral in there too with it. I really like that one a lot. That's not what I expected at all from this. This is part of the fun of getting to smell all these things. All right, so our next one is Sleep Happy. Look how cute that is. Sleep Happy says, drift off to dreamland where delicate violet and bergamot rest on musk clouds. Now, this one's funny because musk is always one that I thought I didn't like. What I think I was picking up in all of the ones I didn't think I liked musk, I think I was picking up amber, to be honest with you. I'm hating on amber today. I don't know. That's awful. But musk is one I always thought that I hated, and there's been a lot of scents lately that Scentsy has had that I've really liked. So Sleep Happy. Ooh. Okay, I'm not mad at this one. Oh, Oh, this one smells like a spa to me. So when you walk into a spa and that sort of like that calming scent, that fresh and clean scent, almost like an aqua type of a scent, right? That's exactly what I'm getting from this. Oh, this is nice. I wish you could smell this with me. This one's a really, really good one. I think, I don't know, between Pillow Time and this one's really nice. So it was violet, bergamot, and musk clouds. So the violet, a little bit of the floral notes, but more of sort of the green floral notes, if that makes sense. So like a greenhouse type of a scent to me, or sort of a greenhouse vibe, that spa vibe, that relaxing, calming. Oh, this one's nice. Really nice. The bergamot to me usually gives citrus notes. I don't really get a ton of citrus from this one. I get more relaxing and fresh and sort of that watery aqua kind of fresh scent with that one. My descriptions are on point for this one, let me tell you. Sometimes when you get all of these ones with really complex blends, it's really hard to describe things. Like I know I've described scents as smelling cold or bubbly or other things. You know, it's just the way my nose speaks to me, friends. I can't help it. All right, so this next one is, where's it at? Shut Eye. Isn't that cute? Shut Eye says fuzzy peach. Oh, I'm liking that already. Fuzzy peach, jasmine, and a touch of cedar harmonize on a fragrant lullaby. Interesting combination. So when you see me kind of like rubbing the wax on this, so what I do is just kind of rub my finger across the top of the wax, just FYI. Whenever you're smelling a wax bar, it's really nice to be able to do that to lift up some of those fragrance notes and the fragrance oils in here to bring them up to the top of the wax. It's also nice if the wax is just slightly warm, like room temperature. It doesn't have to be warm, but room temperature, you don't want to smell it super cold because the oils are the part that you want to be able to smell. So you want to be able to get that really good fragrance note. Another thing you can do is actually turn the bar over because they're typically stored this way and flat. So a lot of times the fragrance oil will sort of sit down at the bottom of this because it'll slide to the bottom of the wax. So you can even tip it over and smell the bottom for the most accurate scent. So I'm going to do that on this one. Oh, I like this one. Oh, I like that one a lot. And what was the description here? Fuzzy peach, jasmine, and a touch of cedar. So I kind of get that cedar. Oh, this is nice. The peach is not like super overwhelmingly sweet to me. It's not super overwhelmingly fruity to me. But I think it's just because it's that really nice balance of the jasmine, the touch of cedar. So you sort of get a little bit of that floral note. Not perfumey floral, it's just that really nice sort of jasmine notes. The touch of cedar gives it sort of that earthy balance, that woodsy scent. Not overwhelmingly woodsy, but it's a really nice combination with the peach in there. So I'm besides that first one, I'm kind of loving every one since. This could be dangerous for my Scentsy Club subscription. I keep adding more to it all the time. All right, my last one, my friends, is Snuggle Up. So this one says, settle down in cashmere woods, curled up with angel lavender and soothing sage. Interesting. So cashmere, lavender, and sage. I'm a little nervous about this one too because any of the cashmere scents, I typically don't gravitate towards because they a lot of times contain amber. Ooh, nope. This is lavender for me. This is like pure lavender to me. I don't know that I really get the sage and the other notes to this. The cashmere, this smells just like a really nice, bold lavender scent to me. Oh my gosh, you guys, this one's really nice. I think this would be so nice melted in sort of a bedroom setting or even like a sitting room, a reading room. I could smell. When I smell lavender, it's just something that it just makes me stop and breathe a little deeper and just kind of relax a little bit. And I feel like this one might be probably my favorite lavender. We have lavender cotton, we have French lavender. This one might be my favorite lavender of all of them. If you are a fan of one of our retired scents called Fuzzy Blanket, this is like a ramped up fuzzy blanket to me. So nice, my friends. So anyway, that is our Catching Zzzz collection because I was able to get that bundle. Again, that bundle is sold out to buy all 5 of them plus the sleep mask together. However, you still can get those individual bars by themselves and you can mix and match them into a bundle option as well. So make sure you contact your Scentsy consultant to help you out with that. Or again, if you don't have one, I'd be happy to help you out. My contact information will be below. You can also add any of those bars individually to a Scentsy Club subscription, and always get your bar as one of the great perks, my favorite perk of the Scentsy Club family. So I hope you guys like this video. I hope you love the Catching Zzzz collection. Let me know what you think of it. If you've smelled it in the comments, let me know what your favorite one is, because I always love to hear feedback from you guys. And if this video was helpful to you, please give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. We certainly appreciate it when you do. So until next time, my friends, always remember to be kind to one another and keep smiling. See you next time.